What is up, guys? Today we are going over to Precision Dynamics. We're going to do a full cut and polish and eventually work our way into a ceramic coat on the GR. Just ticked over 1409 on the odometer, so coming up on 1,500 miles relatively quick. I have been driving the car a lot, and I must say, I'm really enjoying it. Overall, it is a bit stiff. Depending on your road quality and conditions, it can be a bit rocky. But overall, it handles everything really smooth. It handles turns amazing. When it comes to like holes in the road or anything like that, you will feel it. You will 100% feel it. It is stiff. My fiance, she has scoliosis, and she hasn't said a thing about the quality of the drive. That could be because of the heated seats. She's rocking those heated seats every time she's in the car. We are currently on the 73 toll road, just working our way down to Precision Dynamics. They are about 20 minutes from where I live, so really close by. They're the homies. Again, if you need anything BMW related, please go to them. They, even beyond BMW, obviously, I'm in a Toyota. I've taken the Evo there. They've helped me with turbo issues on the Evo. They've done suspension components for Emily's car. They've done basic services for Emily's Subi. So really just overall a great shop, but they do specialize in BMWs. So again, any of you Beamer boys, head over to Precision Dynamics if you're in the SoCal area. I do have something up though, like there is something up my sleeve for what is coming with this car. I just have to finish some details and finalize talking to them and all that, but we're gonna be the first for something for the GR Corolla, so that's pretty awesome, pretty stoked for that. We are currently coming up to Precision Dynamics right now, so we're gonna go see the homie Kennedy and everybody else that works here, and yeah, gonna get this started. Alrighty, so we've made it over to Precision Dynamics. All the homies' cars are here. We already started working on the Corolla. Kennedy, the man, the myth, the legend, has been getting it going.
So what we did to Casey's car so far is we gave it the initial first wash just to get rid of all the contaminants, and then what we did next is, what I like to do next is Iron X. Everyone has a different way of doing things. I like to Iron X the car, let it sit. I preferably want the car to be wet so that Iron X works a lot stronger. So just cover the whole entire car with Iron X, let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse it down again. Now this next process is up to you.
Strip wash, yeah.
And you can use that afterwards and clean up the car, then bring it inside, and then you can start detailing. I don't think you're gonna see too much because Casey's car is straight out of the dealership, but it's satisfying when you have like a car that's dirty, for example, Michael's E92. You get to see the 50/50 and it's satisfying.
Oh yeah, that was quite the difference. Oh my God.
That's a 50/50.
Wow.
I just got rid of Casey's graffiti on his front windshield. So I'm just rinsing everything down one more time, and then I'm gonna use a stripper wash, and then we bring her in.
Yes, sir.
Look at that poser.
Look at a motorcycle. Oh, we gotta get another clip though of this guy. Give me some flames real quick on this Jimmy John.
Let me put it inside.
Okay.
This literally just gets rid of any chemical property that is embedded on there. So like, let's say if they use like wax, or if they use some type of sealant, or they use like a detail spray that has wax and that has an oil-based lubricant, this literally strips of it, so it's completely just bare.
Okay.
But so it doesn't compromise the paint or the clear on the car.
And how long do you usually let this stuff sit on there for?
I usually let everything sit on, if it's a gloomy day like this, 2 to 3 minutes. If it's sunny, at least like a minute. But once we bring the car in, I'll use one of the lights to see how much swirl there is. If there's no swirl, we can get away with polishing the car. The reason why we don't want a compound cut is if the clear is good, we want to have as much clear as possible. We don't want to start cutting just because it has minimal swirls. Polishing to take care of that as well for you.
So Kennedy just told me it is really important to make sure that you get a really good wash off of the strip wash. So he's taking his time right now to make sure that everything gets removed from that strip wash, because the last thing you want is for any of this stripping, material to stay there and to keep working its way in. So you really want to work your way down from the top all the way down to the bottom, and just make sure you're not missing anything in any like little divots or, panel gaps or anything like that. You really want to make sure all of that strip wash has been removed. Crazy with just a simple wash, like we haven't even scrubbed anything really. We did a little clay mat, but I mean, even the wheels, the calipers are already basically back to brand new. Like there's no coating, nothing on this, and it's still just popping so well. There's Michael off in the distance. Where is he? There he is. Oh, yes. I apologize. You might need that, huh?
Yeah, steal this thing.
Yeah, go for it. Hello, sir. Where's the... I love this right now. Oh, yes. Can't beat it.
Wait till you get an exhaust on yours.
Oh, I can't wait, man. I can't wait.
It's gonna sound good.
You're already getting to work. I was just out for 2 seconds. You got it halfway done, man. Sheesh.
Not that bad. You have little spider swirls, that's what we call them.
Okay.
So you can see it right here. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but they're like super faint. Now you want to see a bad car that needs correction. This is it.
Oh, gosh. Okay.
So notice how it's more defined, all the swirls.
We got the polish cut compound from Meguiars. We're not going to do this right now, but we do have the graphene glass coating. Going to be using the yellow Rupees polishing pad, and we got the Rupees, I think it's the LHR 15. This is all new to me, but we're learning. So yeah, overall, this should be quicker than expected. We were going into this expecting to do a cut and polish, so we're just going to do the polish to start, see if we need to do anything more, and go from there. So we're taking a small little break here from the detail, but the homie Henry is going to drop me off at my mom's place, back up to Tacoma. I thought I might as well give a little clip of driving the Supra. What do you have done to this thing again?
Downpipe, single exit exhaust, intake, JB4, and it's on E30.
Okay. Henry did let me drive this for a little bit one time, and it was quite the experience. I've never driven a Supra before. Actually, this is the only one I've ever been in.
Really?
Is yours? Yeah.
Well, I don't think you drove it when it was on E30.
I don't think so either.
So now it's a bit faster.
You had just done the transmission tune. I remember that.
XHP.
Yeah. That exhaust is so perfect. it fits the car so well, man.
Right now I have the resonated version.
Okay.
So the muffler is resonated. I think when you drove it, I had the fully straight pipe, so it's not just a little bit more quiet.
Perfect. That's so nice. Okay guys, so we are back here at Precision Dynamics. Took a couple hours to just eat. I personally hadn't eaten for the whole day. I know Kennedy had to go back and check on his pups. So thankful for him. I mean, he is just the ultimate homie to stick out this late. Alrighty guys, so it is currently 12:30 at night. Kennedy and I just finished polishing the entire car. Tomorrow we are going to drive it outside. I mean literally pull it out the shop, see how it looks. If we need to fix anything, fix it, and then we're gonna wash it down and then ceramic coat it. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Hello guys, day 2. Got Emily with me today and the doggos. So we are currently about to pull up to Precision Dynamics to finish this off. We went and picked up some GTechniq Crystal Serum Light for the ceramic coat.
Liquid gold.
Liquid gold, $100 for a little 50 ml bottle. But I was reading on...
You think my makeup's expensive?
Your makeup is expensive.
Not that expensive.
This is just expensive too. Everything can be expensive in ways. But we will see how this thing looks in the light for the first time after the polish.
The cloudy light.
It's cloudy. Here, we'll pan this around. So it's kind of cloudy. Woo-hoo! Look at that thing. I don't know if you guys can see it yet. I'll zoom in.
You should park back here.
Wow. Owen Wilson. Wow. Holy crap, that shine, bro. This is amazing. Wow. I can't get over this. I can't see a single spot that's like, looks crazy, right? What do you think?
10 out of 10.
Oh my. Wow.
So all we gotta do is wash it off, and then hand wash, and then stripper wash. Pull
Okay.
it back in, dry it off, and
Okay.
start applying ceramic coat.
Sweet.
And that's it.
Sweet. Alrighty, so the car is back inside, but I just wanted to touch on this stuff right here, Crystal Serum Light. Obsessed Garage had a whole, like, basically forum post on his website talking about this particular one, the Crystal Serum, about how it makes, like, it's not the most hydrophobic one that they offer, but it is the one that makes the paint pop the most. Okay, well that, yes.
Michael, how do you do this? Remember?
I don't know. You did it for me last time. I just wiped.
So we add like a few drops onto here. And like I was explaining to you yesterday, well, we're gonna do the whole hood. But what you're gonna do is gonna go down first and just glaze it over. But then after you glaze it in one pattern, you do it horizontal too, so it levels out the ceramic coat.
Alrighty, we just finished the ceramic coat. Pulling the car out now. Holy shit. Guys are just going over it real quick, just if they see anything that looks like it needs to be buffed out, or anything that looks like it's still too much of the ceramic coat on from after the application. But overall, this thing is insane. We did a bit of it's a glass ceramic as well, so the glass is ceramic coated, the car is ceramic coated. The only thing that's not that we're going to right now is the wheels, but everything else is ceramic coated as of now. We have now gotten the car back, as you can see. So it is raining a little bit still, but we're good now when it comes to like actually driving the car and all that. It's only supposed to be sat for 12 hours after you put it on, and we waited for 48. But as you guys can tell, this is like insane, the level of shine that this has right now.
You missed a spot.
I missed the spot?
Yeah.
Where? Oh, well, we're driving in the rain, but look at that. That is insane for a red car.
Yeah, it looks great.
Like the way this rear looks too, like just, oh, it's freaking perfect, man. I'm so happy with this. Huge shout out to Kennedy. Thank you so much, man, for helping me get this set up. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the progression so far. I know it's a little step, it's not really a modification, but I'm really excited for where this car is going. Can't wait to show you guys what I have in store for it. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna end it here for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. All the links for everything that was used on the car today, well, the past couple of days, will be in the links down below. So please go ahead and give that a look if you want. But thank you guys for watching.